Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a software license agreement with Nolo, full guide step by step clearly. To create a software license agreement with Nolo, start by visiting the Nolo website. Search for software license agreement in the search bar. Select the appropriate template that suits your software needs. Review the features and terms included in the template. Download the software license agreement template to your computer. Open the template in your document editing software. Begin filling in the template with your specific information. Input your company name and the name of the software. Define the type of license you are offering, whether exclusive or non-exclusive. Specify the duration of the license agreement, including start and end dates. Outline any restrictions or limitations on the use of your software. Include clauses related to intellectual property rights. Clearly define the payment terms, if applicable. State the responsibilities of both parties involved in the agreement. Add any warranty and liability disclaimers to protect your interests. Include a termination clause to outline how either party can end the agreement. Review the completed document for any errors or missing information. Consult with a legal professional if you are unsure about any clauses. Save the document in multiple formats for your records. Share the license agreement with the other party for review and acknowledgement. Make any final adjustments as needed based on feedback. Once both parties agree, sign the document to finalize the agreement. Store the signed agreement securely for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.